it's Steph, and welcome back to my channel. I have some good stuff today. I have some Hot Wheels mystery models, Trinity and Beyond. I'm excited for that. I got 2 different ones for her series. She's also a YouTube, I think they're also YouTube girls that started on YouTube. You got Kinder Joy, Wonder Ball, Super Mario Edition, and Trolls World Tour. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the Wonder Ball. It's a Super Mario, Mario Super Rare. And you also get a little character, Candy, 4 different flavors. Which flavor will you get? Let's see. So first off, you got your Wonder Ball. And inside we got Mario. So Mario is cherry. It looks green, but it says Mario's cherry. You got stickers. The collector's guide and your coin. And I got a new coin. So here's the ones that you can collect. So I got Waluigi and I got Birdo yesterday. So here's that coin. Cool. Next, I'm going to open up the Trolls World Tour. The tin contains 1 charm, 1 wristlet, 1 magnet card, and 1 puppy stickers. Okay, first we got this character. He's cute. To go on your super cute lanyard, so it goes on like this. And there you have it. Next, I think these are the stickers. Yep, these are the stickers of the same girl that we just got. And they're 2 different stickers. One's bigger, one's smaller. And then this is the magnets that you got. So you get 2 magnets. Oh, one's already popped out for me. It says Delta Dawn. Lonesome Flats. And the last one we got is Sing Your Heart Out. Alright, next I'm going to open up is a Kinder Joy. Oops, runaway Kinder Joy. Oh, we open the chocolate. So that's the white chocolate that you get with your cookies. And here's your toy. Oh no. It's the one in my channel yesterday. The one that I could not put together. I only can put the rings together. But this is the one I got. For the ones that didn't watch my channel yesterday. I cannot put that together. So unfortunately, that is a bust for me. Now I got three of those, and I can't put them together. I'm sure I'll figure it out at some point. Okay, so cookie, toy. Okay, it's a different one, which is good. But hopefully I can put it together, is the thing. Okay. Oh, okay, it's like his hat or something. Okay, to cover it. That's cool. And then you got your paper. So you can color. Can't really see that. Let me see. Oh. Hold on. Alright, these are supposed to be the bushes of the tree, but it's not. Oh, maybe I got it. Oh no, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, so there is the tree, and it's falling down. Bushes. Tree must be getting old. Super cute though. Alright, next I'm going to open up the Hot Wheels mystery models. You got one card and one card sticker. Torque Twister. It says 1 down here, but 5 in the corner. And this is the car. Super cool. It's gray with some like white and blue strips, and it does say number 5. And it has some cool white and gray tires. Alright, put that cool car up there. Next, I'm going to open up, this is the last one. It is Trinity and Beyond. Collectible, buildable figure with charm. Series 2. And it says 1 set. And these are the different ones that you can collect. There's Ice Princess Madison, Purple Piano Trinity, Magic Genie Madison, Ladybug Trinity, Dear Madison, Artist Trinity, I have that one, Strawberry Trinity, Pirate Madison, Tea Trinity, Birthday Party Madison, Rainbow Madison, I have that one, and Hacker Trinity. I would like to get the Pirate Madison or Hacker Trinity. Let's see. Or at least a new one for my collection. Got the Collector's Guide, which is that. Oh, and these are the charms you can get. Alright, let's see who I get. Well, I did get a new one. It looks like, before I even take it out, because I'm usually pretty good at eyeing. We got Birthday Patty Madison. This one. She is really cute. Alright. I did get a new one, so even though I didn't get the ones I wanted, but at least I got a new one. Let me cut this. Got her skirt. Got her arms. Getting there. Got her head and her charm. The charm just goes on her head. It's a cupcake charm. You can put her arms down, and this is cool because it's harder, and the other ones I got for the charm felt like it was an eraser. But this one's super cool. Okay, so the charm is right there. And it says charms are interchangeable with figures and jewelry. So, Birthday Party Madison. And there she is. So cute. She is definitely ready for a birthday party. Alright, please like and subscribe if you liked my video. Which one did you like today that I opened? I'm going to go with the car. I think it's a really cool looking car. My son's gonna love that. Yeah, he loves cars. And the wheels actually are really good. So let me know what you think. What's your favorite from today? And if there's any specific ones you want me to do for a video and open up, please let me know down in the comments below. And have a good day and take care.